What if I say haul your over to purplewave.com and log on now or check us out? Can I say that? Awesome. You filming me try to climb up this thing? Not graceful. Chad Sputh with Purple Wave Auctions. I'm up here on this haul truck, and many other items, and some other haul trucks are up for auction with the Precision Excavating Retirement Auction. We want you to come down here, check these things out. I told you it's nice, but just because I told you doesn't mean that you have to believe me. I really want you to figure out a time, come down here. Our open houses are Wednesday, September 18th, and Monday, October 14th. This auction ends Tuesday, October 15th. So please, by all means, don't take my word for how nice this equipment is. Don't take my word for how well maintained it is. Come down, see for yourself, talk to David, the owner. He's a great guy. And just take advantage of the openness that Purple Wave offers its buyers. So log on to purplewave.com and check us out.